For our 13th video is how to use triggers in actions to automate tasks and Zafify.io. So by the way guys, we have two options, which is the trigger. So let's say for example, new workflow. Let's set this an example. So triggers are the events that starts a workflow. For example, that includes contact created, form submitted, appointment book, or tag added. Let's say for example, let's put add new trigger, birthday reminder. So save trigger. So here we can put description on what we should put, and it can be sent. And then actions. Actions are what happens after the trigger. For example, send SMS, send email, add tag, assign to user, or move to pipeline stage. Here is an action. So we choose birthday reminder, find contact, save action, one field, okay. Um, First name, like that. Then save action. Oh no, we have to put value. Um, Name, and like that. So every triggers needs an action, and then combine multiple action in a sequence to build a fully automated process.